A technique to practice your speed and going down the fretboard is just start from here. Use your next finger for the next one. Keep going, and then once you get to the end, you're gonna start off the next one with your index. And once you get to a certain point, like let's say here, you just go backwards. So just like that. It's gonna be harder on this one, top string, 'cause it's the thickest. So that's gonna be harder with your pinky. That's it. Here I'm going to make you a demonstration on how to read bass tabs, or any tabs. Let's say guitar, bass. Any of those work out the same, just written differently. So these are going to be for bass tabs. Bass tabs are usually written in lines of 4. When bass tabs are written, they are written in form of numbers. So let's say 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Sometimes this can be the top, and this can be the bottom, or it can be the other way around. But usually the numbers are written on the strings themselves. So let's say 0, 1, 2, 3. So that means 0 goes first, starting on the top line, top string. 1 goes after, starting on the second line, second string, and so on. So that would look kind of like, so just like on the paper, start off with top line, and then you go down, starting with 0, 1, 2, 3. So a 0 is an open line. So when you're playing the bass, 0 is no fingers used. And then you play. A 1 would be you go on the first fret. A 2, second. A 3, third. So it just goes 0, 1, 2, and 3. Sometimes it can be flipped upside down. So that would mean the top line is written on the bottom of the chart, and the bottom line is written on the top. So if that were true, then the numbers would be the opposite. So reading it like this, that would mean that you have to play 0, 1, 2, and 3. An easy way to find out how the bass tabs are written is by the way it sounds. So let's say you're trying to practice a song, like just any song. If you know what the bass sounds like, then it should be easy to find out. So right here is the 0, which is the top. And if it's at the top, the top string is at the top. That would mean the first note should be lower in the song. If the bottom note is at the top, then that means that the song would start off with a high note. So if the song starts off high and the first number is on the top, that means that it's upside down. If it's not, vice versa.